Hey guys, Palacho here with another video. This time, as you guys may have seen by the title, it's the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile. It finally arrived. Let's get to it. Here it is. Let's get into the box. I ordered the Osmo Mobile with a couple accessories. There it is. Let's start with the accessories. An additional battery. A charger for the additional battery. The battery of the Osmo Mobile can be charged directly using a USB port connected to your computer, but it's always recommended, for my personal taste, is to have an external charger. The base for the Osmo Mobile, it'll come in handy, although I intend to use it with a bendy tripod as well. It's only $10. It's worth it. The universal mount. Now the universal mount is going to go along the side of the Osmo Mobile, and it's going to be used to mount a microphone or additional lighting. So this is going to come in handy pretty well. And that's it for the accessories. Osmo Mobile. So let's put this guy on hold. Let's get into these guys real quick. The universal mount, pretty nice, solid. It's going to go on the side of the Osmo. It's going to be good for a microphone or some kind of light source. Okay, now these mounts, you can leave them up here, or you can put them down here. Nice little piece, nice and heavy duty, looks pretty cool. The base, Osmo will go right here. As I mentioned, the additional battery. Intelligent battery. Each battery is supposed to last a few hours, and I believe that's true. I've seen some reviews, and yeah, batteries last a long time on the Osmo Mobile. And the charger, obviously, with its power cord. The charger itself. Battery would go right in here. So these are the accessories. Now let's get into the main guy here, the Osmo Mobile. Push one side, come out to the other side right here. There we go. Put that aside. There it is. Now in here, this pocket, that's where you have your carrying bag. Nice carrying bag, nice color, I like it. Some pockets inside, nicely made. Nice color. Some instructions. In this compartment right here, we got a USB charger and the battery. A strap for your hand so you don't drop it. And let's get this gently out of here. And voila. A little tilted. All right, let's try to set it up and see how it goes. So now let's use some of the accessories. All right, so like the base. Base has its nice DJI logo imprinted. Now this button right here, that's where the front goes. Lock it in place right there. To release it, press and release. Locked in place. And I've already got a head start and charged up the battery just a little bit, so to see how this works, okay? Slides in place, and lock it up. Put it on the base. Let me do something real quick. I'm going to show you how the mount's gonna go. Mount goes right here. Mount goes right there. A microphone will go right here, or a light source. And if it gets in the way, if it gets in the way of the phone will be right here. So you could just turn it over and lock it in place like that. And then you would have the microphone hanging down here, pointing that way or this way, however you want to do it. Same thing with the lighting. So this would be the setup for now. Now my additional setup is going to be this way, and I'll show it to you. Using my bendy tripod. In order for me to do that, I had to get an extension, other way the Osmo would get in the way. So this extension I got at Amazon. It's a Ghost Ski, I believe that's how it's pronounced, and it wasn't very expensive. I'll list it up in the description. But I'm gonna need it in order for it to attach to the Osmo Mobile. Now, this is how it's gonna work. Let's get the base out first. We don't need the base. Let's screw this guy on the Osmo Mobile. Make sure it's tight in there. And then this guy is going to be screwed on here itself. It's going to be screwed onto this. There, it's on. So now, loosen this up right here. And voila, there it is. Bendy tripod with the Osmo Mobile. Now obviously my phone is there, that's what you guys are looking at. So I'm going to put it on here and then switch over to a different camera. But this is going to be pretty much when I'm out there and trying to use the bendy tripod. Now the advantage of using the bendy tripod would be, obviously you guys know, you could attach this to a tree, a fence, like so, something like this, and then set up your mobile. So now I'm going to switch over to my camera so we can see how this works. So you loosen up this knob right here so it'll fit your phone. Loosen it up all the way out. Set your phone in there. Close it up. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's balanced. There's a knob for this. You can loosen it up, stretch this arm or shorten it until it gets balanced, pretty much balanced. You can see I let go, kind of balance itself. Make sure your app is on. Turn on your device right here. Press down. It's activated now. And now the app is going to tell you connect to your device. Once you did all the registration and all that stuff, takes a couple minutes and you're on. That's it. You can move it with your thumb, left or right, up or down. Button right here will take a picture. Button over here will start recording video. Your trigger here, double tap. It'll center it by itself. If you hold on to the trigger, it'll lock. The screen, no matter where you go. You point this way, you point that way, the screen is locked on the subject. You double tap it, double tap the trigger, goes back. If you tap it 3 times, it'll turn into selfie mode. So 1, 2, 3. Now it's looking at you. 1, 2, 3. It goes back, looking in the front. So this extension here is what I was mentioning to you. The one that I'm going to be using for the bendy tripod. So I'm going to put it back. Make sure it's flat. And there it is. Can even use this with my bendy tripod. So until I get out and shoot some footage, this will be it for this video, and we'll do a full review next. But this was the unboxing. I'm so excited about this new product, and we'll see you guys soon. We'll talk soon, alright? Palacho out. Peace.